gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this unit that I got from Tinashe Hair. This is not my first time working with this company. I have so many reviews and I always love their wigs. They have some of the best wigs, hands down, okay? And this is definitely one of them. As you can see, it is highlighted and it has curls. It actually came pre-curled, but we'll get more into that during the video. But yeah, in this video I'm going to show you start to finish styling and install, and then I will come back and give you my first thoughts on this unit. But before we do that, let's get into the unboxing. Today's unit comes from Tinashe Hair, and this is the box that it comes in. We're going to be unboxing what's inside. So the first thing inside is the information card, and it literally tells you like the hair care instructions, tips for your wig, how to wash it, and they also give you like their social media handles. Inside was also the unit, which is a 5x6 glueless body wave unit. It comes with 3 combs, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable spandex strap. But the good thing about this wig and the unique thing, it has an airy cap. This is a wear and go, so it comes pre-curled already. It also has highlights. It comes pre-plucked and pre-cut lace. All right, inside was also a floral band, a black hair bonnet, a baby blue hair baby hairbrush, an invisible HD wig cap, 2 purple duck clips, a custom spandex melting band, 3D mink lashes, and a pack of bobby pins. Okay, so I put the adjustable straps on, and now I'm going to put the unit on my head. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I did not wash it. I literally just decided to, you know, put it on my head and see how it looks as a wear and go. Now, I lost some footage of me doing a baby hair, so I am so sorry. But in this next clip, you're gonna see me putting my melting band on top of the baby hairs. I did not glue this wig down at all, and I will show you that in a later clip, so definitely stay tuned. But yeah, right now let's get to styling. So I am finger combing and then brushing the hair just to see like what it's gonna look like. But is this giving me like, you know, just like, you know, curls, but it's not giving me life. It's just not uniform. So what I want to do is I'm going to create some wand curls. But before I do that, let's get to the top because I want it to be a little flatter. So the first thing we're going to do is hot comb the top of the head. I did add some, what is that called? The wax stick and a little bit of got to be glued spray. I find that it stays in place, and even if you get hot or whatever, it does not like come up and lift. So that's why I like to use a little bit of the got to be glued at the top, but not a lot, okay, when I hot comb, just a little bit. But yeah, we're taking big chunks because the big chunks are gonna create these like medium wand curls. You're gonna see, because I didn't want to like recurl every single curl. I just wanted to do something really easy, and this definitely was very easy. I did about probably 5 curls on each side, so 10 curls is real quick. So I'm wrapping them, and my wand curl, I need a new one because like it doesn't get as hot as it used to. So you're gonna see me like I had to repeat some of the curls a few times. So you see me repeating this curl because it wasn't like really like giving, like it was looking like, you know, I did the curl and it dropped. So I recreated some of the curls. All right, and we're just gonna keep doing that. I hot comb the top because I don't want the curl to start from the top. I want it to like be flat to my head and then waves. Like y'all already know the deal. This is how I love to do my hair. But girl, I don't know about y'all, but I'm just feeling like these waves are looking extra juicy and bomb because of the highlights. Like the highlights are giving me complete life. All right, so everything that we're doing, we're literally just repeating it on both sides, like the steps. Like we're just brushing through the hair, we're wrapping the hair around the wand barrel, and then we're letting it go. and that is our curls. It was so super duper easy. And then when I was done, I just go back in on the top and just make sure that it's flat, and then yeah, then I finger comb a little bit, and then we're gonna take the melting band off. Okay, now you can see the baby hairs. I'm so sorry that did not come up. Like, I don't know where that whole entire video went, but I definitely recorded it. So like I was saying, everything is done. All you have to do is just go in and just check, like, if there's any curls that need to be recurled, or if you need to flatten it at the top. This is basically the time to do it. I did decide that I wanted to add a little bit of moisture. I know on camera it looks good, but to me in person it looked a little frizzy, so I wanted to add a little bit of my Designer Essential Silk Essentials oil and hydrate that hair and just bring it back to life. Also give it a little bit of that beautiful scent that it has. So now that I done finger combed it through my hair, everything is done. My hair is looking freaking gorgeous and luscious. And I'm also still going to show you in a later clip that you could run the tail of the comb right under the wig, because it is not glued down to my head in any type of way. Like, it's still glueless. I could take it off my head right now, even with the baby hairs, and put it right back on my head. I've been wearing this wig for a few days, and when I tell you I love it, I love it. Like, just look how beautiful those curls are. This might be the best curls I've had on a unit, hands down. But yeah, let's get into all the specs and everything about this wig, and I'll let y'all know if it's a go or not. So I'm back with my finished look, and this is how my hair came out. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. So this unit is from Tinashe Hair. This is not my first time working with this company. I receive amazing wigs from this company. That's why I continue to work with them. And this wig was just a little bit different, okay, because it came pre-curled. I've never had a wig come pre-curled. Now normally when I get my wigs, I wash them immediately, but I wanted to see the wear and go part of this, because this is a wear and go unit. It comes styled, it comes with the lace pre-cut. You literally don't really have to do anything but put the wig on your head and style it, okay? But once I brushed the curls out, I just felt like it just didn't, it wasn't given. So I did decide to go in with the curling wand, and girl, when I tell you I am loving how this looks right now, like, I love my hair so much. I'm literally just recording this video, and I was gonna switch to my other wig later on because I'm going out, but I'm definitely wearing this one because it's giving life. Like, it's giving life. I love the light, the highlights, like the chunkiness of it. Like, it just looks so good. Like, they did a great job. And this has a very, very airy cap, and lately I think I'm going to through pre-menopause, y'all, because I have been getting the craziest hot flashes. So, like, I need a very airy cap, and this cap is an airy cap, okay? I love that there's a lot of options. You can get this unit from 18 inches to 30 inches. It comes in body wave or straight. It comes in the 5x6 lace, which I have, and it also comes in the 13x4 lace frontal, so you could do the whole entire front if that's what you want. You can there's the option for you to get your lace pre-cut like mine's came, or you can choose to not have it pre-cut at all. There are a lot of options when it comes to this wig. They pre-plucked it. Like, I literally didn't have to do anything to the hairline. As y'all saw, I wanted baby hair, so I added a little bit of baby hairs, but this is completely glueless. I did not glue this wig down, and just to show you that I didn't go and glue it later, I'm just gonna run the comb underneath. This is me running this underneath the lace. Like, you can literally see it's underneath the lace, okay? It's not glued down at all, and it looks so good. Like, it just looks so good. So I have this hair in 24 inches, and I literally don't have any complaints because I'm not receiving tangling, matting, snagging, shedding. I'm not even receiving shedding. So the shedding I would say is below minimal. It's really nothing coming out of this hair, only the hairs that I cut off myself to create my baby hairs. But other than that, I have not been seeing any shedding or anything, and I have been brushing my hair. I've been finger combing it, everything. So I'm gonna say the shedding is definitely minimal. Even now, like, I'm running my fingers through and nothing is coming out, like nothing. And as you can see, the hair still looks good, and there was no snagging, no matting up, no shedding, no tangling. So I really don't have any negative things to say about this hair, and I would personally highly recommend this unit. Like, y'all know, lately I've been on my color units because I've been doing black for so long, and sometimes I like to switch it up. Like, every outfit, like, don't go with every hairstyle in my opinion. So when I choose an outfit, I choose hair too. Like, I choose a wig. And this right here, girl, this wig is a go. I would highly recommend it, and I'm gonna say I give it a 10 out of 10 because honestly, I literally don't have any cons to give y'all. I would recommend that. This wig is phenomenal. So because of that, I will have all the information for you down in the bottom bar. Don't forget to check it for all those links, discount codes, everything under the sun is in that bottom bar for you. Okay, definitely check out Tinashe Hair. Thank you so much for this amazing wig, and I will speak to y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.